YouTube? You already know you tuning in to your main man, Official Rico. You feel me? In this video, I'm about to be showing y'all what type of hair products I use to get. I just curl mine, but I'm finna show you what type of hair products I'll be using to get my hair curly like this. You feel me? Stay tuned into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button. Stay updated to the content by turning on your post notifications. And comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Yeah, gang. And stay tuned to the video until we on to the next. Step one in this process, get a towel. Get a towel. Get a towel, you feel me? And a towel just to, you feel me? Prevent your chest area, your area from getting wet. Get a towel, you feel me? And boom. Be washing. If you don't, another method to use for water is water, you feel me? One of the spray bottles. But boom. Let's see, first product is, yes sir, Shea Moisture. You feel me? This works good for my hair. If you got curly hair, I know this gonna work good for your hair too. Recommended product. Gets the job done really, really good. You feel me? So I advise y'all to go try this. You feel me? Go try this for your hair. Check it out. Coconut curl shine conditioner with silk protein and neem oil. Go check this out. Good for your hair. For some curls, for sure. So you got this, and then we got Ozzy, I think it's Ozzy Miracle Curls Frizz Tam Cream for perfect frizz. You feel me? Want to get your hair not freezing, look like curly. Yeah, I advise you try this. You feel me? These two products. There's a lot of products. There's a very lot of products. You feel me? You can use for your hair. But this is my tutorial, and I'm showing y'all what products I use. And I feel like these is two good products. And I feel like it's recommended. You should try these out. You feel me? You want to try these out? Recommend it. I ain't push all these products been out, but if y'all don't got these products, I'll push on. You can try these. Step one though. Or no, step two. This is step one. It's all step two. Cold water. Wanna put cold water in your hair. This is good. See, I just got out the shower, you feel me? So my hair was already wet. I'm gonna show y'all what I do like on a regular basis. Just curling my hair up. Just get some cold water down here. Go around with it. Cold water. Go around with it everywhere. Cause look, I just got out the shower, but I'm just showing y'all like the amount of water you need for your hair to get your curly. You feel me? Use cold water cause it tightens your curls up. It start looking like this. You feel me? So after that, I go ahead and move on to the Shea Moisture. You feel me? I just get a little bit of it. You feel me? A little bit, really. Everywhere. I don't have no palms. Do that. Then get in the tips. Start going all around. Curl area. Yeah. Do that. Get everywhere. It's pretty. So, boom, everywhere that's curly. And then, shake it a little. Shake it a little. Put your own mix to it. Shake it a little, put your own mix to it. That, so I can see it's starting to, being a little curly already, but it's starting to curl up like that. Yeah, like that, and then you get a little bit more cold water. Just a little bit more. cold water. One more time, you'll hear it go around. Yeah. You'll hear it go around. Y'all can see I got this here tie. I'm just using it to keep my hair up, cause y'all can see I got a lot of hair, and I usually have my hair either in a twist or in braids, but I'm rocking the curls for a little bit. See, this liquid, see when your hair is wet, it's gonna keep pushing up. So I'm just trying to put it back. Just put it down. So basically, like that. And then, after that, you wanna use, Alright, boom. Let me get this to work right quick, y'all. Let me get this to work right quick. Okay, hold on. Let's redo this. Okay, boom. We good. So after that, after you do that, you wanna, I'm gonna have to get another haircut soon. The edge up looking not too good. Yeah, I don't really like how that edge up looking, but haircut coming soon. But basically, you wanna do that. After this, you feel me? You wanna slide this little bad boy to the side. You hear me? Slide that to the side. And then you want to use this Isu's Miracle Curls Frizz Tammy Cream with coconut and jojoba oil. I think that's how you say it, jojoba oil. But you want to use some of that, you feel me? This, make sure the hair is not frizzy. So use some of this. You want to squirt a little bit. Just enough for your hair. Rub it all in your hand. I'm gonna put it all in your hair. Once it's done, they're gonna keep sliding up, but it's cool. I'm gonna show y'all what I do. But rub it everywhere where the curls is at. Just the main spots. And that's exactly what you want to do. Everywhere the curls is at. Like that. Yeah. And after that, you want to hit it with that little again. Yes, sir. So basically, you want to hit it with that little shake. I keep shaking my hair, but look, you feel me? And there you have it, curls. As y'all can see, curls. There you have it. That's how. So that's my tutorial on how I think, you feel me, you can get curls And make sure you use cold water. Cold water is going to tighten your curls. If you use hot water, you're going to be like, man, what the fuck? All my shit not curling up good. It's because you use hot water. Cold water, it makes your curls more tighter. You feel me? You're going to see them in a pattern. You feel me? They're going to look something like this. You feel me? Some basically like this. But mine, it takes a while, you feel me, to get curled. Like curled. It's in the process right now, but when it dries up, it looks way better. But if you like this, if you like my tutorial, go ahead and like the video. If you like me how I showed the tutorial, go ahead and like the video. These are the 2 main products I use, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And if y'all want to see more content on how I do my hair curly, or content on what type of hairstyles I do to my hair, put it in the comments down below if you want to see that. I might just show it, you feel me, like how to twist, tutorials on that, or how to braid, yeah. And I'm gonna do a face, y'all gonna see coming up my products I use for my face and stuff to keep my face clear and stuff like that, you feel me? But yeah, thank y'all for tuning in, you feel me? Like I said again, don't forget to smash that red subscribe button, comment down below. Love y'all, my subscribers, my fans. Stay tuned because more and more content coming out. More and more. Go watch my previous video. I think it was a reaction video to Gervonta Davis highlights and knockouts, and the one after that it was rating my IG followers off my spam account. Yeah, go check out those 2 videos. Those were my main recent ones. And thanks for staying in tune. Love y'all. You feel me? Rico Gang, official Rico Gang. You feel me? We going up. We going up every day we going up. But y'all stay in tune. You feel me? And I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.